Hello and welcome, everyone. I'm Marissa Kozlov, and it is great to have you with us for today's eMarketer Tech Talk, where we host guests from all areas of media, ad tech, and martech. We have a great show ahead for you today. Our presenter is going to share how the latest advancements in language processing technology will significantly change the $6 trillion global e-commerce sector and how consumers shop. I am really looking forward to this one. So let me introduce you to that guest. We have Alyson Zhang, COO and co-founder of Shoplazza. Alyson, great to have you here.
Hello, everyone.
And we're so happy that all of you are with us from our audience. Let's keep it conversational today. Alyson has a lot of great information ahead, but if you have any questions, just use the chat window on the right side of the screen at any time to submit questions. We will do our best to get to as many as possible in the second part of the show, so please keep those questions coming. All right, Alyson, it's time to get started. I'm passing it to you.
Hello, and greeting to the eMarketer audience, also every dedicated member from our host, the Ecomarketer team. So today, I'm thrilled to gather at this virtual space and share some of the insights on the future application of GPT-4 in e-commerce. We all experienced the never expected COVID-19 pandemic and are navigating through its implications of the global economy turbulence. Amidst all, here comes with the revolution of AI. Today, I will explore what in general GPT-4 means to us and also the applications are in e-commerce. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself as your speaker today. My name is Alyson Zhang, CEO and the co-founder of Shoplazza. While some might consider me the most legally minded person in our company, before founding Shoplazza, I was licensed barrister and solicitor of Ontario, Canada. However, my passion for e-commerce and its unprecedented future brought me to this field. My background does not only provide me with a mind of critical reasoning, but often leads to exploring the foreseeable regulatory development of certain aspects of e-commerce. It guides our product developed towards a sustainable and scalable future. Today, the topic will revolve around the future of e-commerce and the role that Shoplazza and GPT-4 will play in revolutionizing the industry. Firstly, allow me to quickly introduce you what Shoplazza is. Shoplazza is a global SaaS e-commerce platform that allows you to start your online business literally hassle-free. We do not only offer coding-free store theme setup, but an advanced sourcing integration that covers supply chains across APAC, America, and Europe. With our constant growing ecosystem, the integration with all the major social media and traffic platforms enables a seamless omni-channel sales. Whether your customer are on TikTok, Instagram, or using Facebook Messenger, your product could be pushed towards them and being browsed, added to cart, and checkout without leaving the platform. Our upcoming integrated point of sale system will not only provide a fully synchronized inventory and order for retail and online store, but to engage your customer with a dynamic membership system that allows you to offer a customized membership benefits to all of your customers. Now, let's move to what GTP is. First, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, also known as GPT-4, is a cutting-edge machine learning-based AI technology that utilizes multiple models to produce natural language output. This groundbreaking technology is poised to revolutionize the way we approach deep learning. GPT-4 leverages deep learning algorithm to train its model on vast amount of data, allowing it to produce a highly accurate and contextually relevant output. By combining multiple models, GPT-4 is able to generate rich, multimodal responses that can be tailored to specific applications. One of the key features of GPT-4 is its ability to learn and evolve over time, continually refining its model to produce even better output. This makes it an ideal tool for business looking to stay ahead of the curve in the fast-paced world of AI and deep learning. Finally, GPT-4's ability to output natural language makes it incredibly versatile, allowing it to be used for a wide range of applications, from chatbots and virtual assistants to content creation and translation. All in all, GPT-4 represents a major step forward in the field of deep learning and AI, offering business unprecedented level of accuracy, versatility, and customization when it comes to natural language processing. Now, we will talk in detail of the following current applications of GPT-4 e-commerce today: shopping journey mapping, dynamic prediction, automated e-commerce solution, and content creation. For shopping journey mapping, it is a crucial aspect of every business. GPT-4's power lies in the ability to digest the vast amounts of big data that is sourced from all available channels and multiple touch points, and extract meaningful insights from them. By analyzing customers' behavior across multiple touch points, GPT-4 can create highly detailed maps of the customer journey, highlighting pinpoints, opportunities for engagement, and areas where business can optimize. But it's not just about the data itself. GPT-4 also has the ability to dynamically adjust the metrics and presentations based on the real-time feedback, ensuring that the business are always working with the most accurate and up-to-date information available. The dynamic approach allows businesses to quickly identify trends and patterns in customer behavior, adjust their strategies accordingly, and stay ahead of the curve. Now, let's look at dynamic prediction. Dynamic prediction is a cutting-edge technology that uses machine learning algorithm to predict customer behavior and then tailor the shopping experiences to their individual needs. By analyzing empirical as well as live data, business can anticipate what customers will prefer and create highly personalized shopping experiences that drive engagement and sales. A well-known example of this application is product recommendation. For all online shoppers, product recommendation kicks in once you've browsed a few products, whether it is an online store or in a marketplace such as Amazon. Previously, all the algorithm was limited to the data that was collected via the online store or the marketplace where the shoppers have visited. Thanks to the infrastructure of OpenAI, GPT-4 would not only learn the data from the online store or the marketplace, but the anonymized and categorized data from the entire internet. This will provide a higher conversion rate for each visited online shopper, simply because it speeds up the learning time for any algorithm that is in place. Automated decision is another area that GPT-4 has become a game changer, providing automated solution for various operations, from programming to content creation and customer support chatbots. This AI-powered tool levels up the average capabilities of small to medium business. For programming, it is not yet to completely replace any software engineers, but by generating thousands of lines of code with some simple natural language instruction, it revolutionized the work efficiency and effectiveness. The time spent for product development and iteration will be shortened. And again, business is allowed to focus on more human, like customer experiences, for example, rather than technology. It is important to note that the system will still require precise directives in order to produce accurate programming results. Fortunately, GPT-4 has the ability to learn from and adapt to the language and terminology used by its users, making it easier for non-technical users to communicate their needs effectively. This means that with some initial training and practice, any user can quickly become proficient in using GPT-4 to generate precise and accurate code for their online stores. Additionally, the system's natural language processing capabilities allow for flexible and intuitive communication, allowing users to make changes and adjustments to their program as needed with minimal efforts. Content creation. With its ability to collect and analyze big data from targeted audience groups, GPT-4 is capable of producing fast, accurate, and powerful writing for e-commerce owners. By understanding the behavior pattern of their audience, GPT-4 can help business owners generate product description and marketing materials that are complete and resonate to the specific needs and preferences of their customers. By leveraging GPT-4, the training of SEO professional becomes less costly. Google has become famous about their constant update of their SEO rules. GPT-4 can analyze search engine algorithm and automatically apply them to tasks. It also helps create a powerful content backlinks network by analyzing the weight of each backlink and the relevance to their targeted audience. This ensures that the content created is both SEO optimized and caters to the target audience interest, resulting in maximum engagement and organic traffic generation. When it comes to customer service, response time and effectiveness of the response are crucial. There is where GPT-4 comes in. It has the power to respond quickly and accurately. GPT-4 can help you create customer service chatbots that can answer common questions and provide support 24/7, freeing up your staff and the previous budget on focus on more complex customer solutions and issues. By automating this process, you can provide seamless customer experiences while increasing operational efficiency. But it's not just about responding quickly. With its natural language-based search, GPT-4 can analyze a customer's message and interpret their intent and sentiments, learning from previous customer interactions so to provide the most relevant response. It can even handle complex questions and problems that require a deeper understanding of the subject matter. This creates personalized experiences that builds the trust and the loyalty with the customer. All of this is done with a natural language-based search, meaning that customer can communicate with ChatGPT in the same way they would with a human customer service agent. This creates a seamless experiences that feels natural and intuitive, reducing frustration, of course, and increasing the satisfaction. One of the most mentioned challenge in running a business is handling the daily repetitive tasks that can quickly become overwhelming. That's where GPT-4 comes in, providing a powerful automation tool that can help you manage these tasks more efficiently and effectively. The primary area where GPT-4 excels in e-commerce automation is data entry and processing. With its advanced natural language processing ability, it can quickly read and parse large data sets and then perform a variety of actions based on that data. For instance, it can help you update product listings, adjust prices, and manage customer data. GPT-4 also assists with inventory management. With its predictable capabilities and advanced analytic tools, it can help you better understand your inventory trends and make more informed decisions about when to reorder and where to place them. This can help you avoid short stock or overstock and ensure that your customer always have access to the products they want. Finally, GPT-4 provides a powerful workflow automation tool that can help you streamline your operation and reduce the time you spend on manual tasks. Whether you need automated order fulfillment, customer service, or any other aspects of your business, GPT-4 can help. GPT-4, in a nutshell, is a dynamic tool that could learn and be trained to undertake many tasks for a business. As I mentioned earlier, to name a few, the current applications, the non-coding AI empowerment, customized training with affordable costs, it levels up the capabilities of small to medium businesses where the focus and the capital investment should be towards their customer, the services and the products offered to the customer rather than the technology itself. It brings more accessibility and opportunities to all business. So as an e-commerce platform, Shoplazza is excited about the potential applications of GPT-4 in the industry. Its automated solution, content creation, and the customer service chatbot features can help merchants save time, reduce costs, and provide better experiences for their customers. With the future development and accessibility of AI technology, more merchants can be benefited and affordable costs. By developing and integrating GPT-4 powered apps and features through OpenAI APIs, Shoplazza can continue to empower our merchants with cutting-edge e-commerce solutions. Thank you all for attending the webinar today. We hope you find these insights valuable and gain a diversified understanding of the emerging AI landscape. As a token of our appreciation, we are offering a white paper that will delve even deeper into the latest GPT-4 and AI trends. You can download it using the QR code here. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stay ahead of the curve and maximize your business efforts to the next level. Thank you again for joining us today.
All right, Alyson, thank you so much. What a really fantastic presentation. It was great insights. I mean, I think we all know that GPT-4 has skyrocketed to fame over the past few months and has really become such a part of everyday conversation. So it was really insightful to see the many ways that you described that GPT-4 can be applied, whether it's through programming, customer service, managing tasks, or as you said in the last slide, revolutionizing e-commerce. Help us understand, what can GPT-4 do apart from writing?
We often use content generation as the most relatable example for the application of GPT-4, but it goes beyond a machine-generated answer. From a research perspective, it interacts with the user. So it helps the user to probe deeper and wider of any given tasks. From an analysis perspective, it could be used for sentiment analysis to automatically analyze and classify the emotional tone of a large volume text data. This could be especially useful for business and organizations looking to monitor online sentiments around their brand or industry. From the program perspective, a full set of software codes could be generated by using natural language instruction. We've talked this example earlier. All in all, it creates a creation hub, covering from static content to software product. And more interestingly, it is based on how you train it.
Okay, so it seems like it can certainly do a lot more than just write. So thank you for that. You gave a lot of really good examples today about what GPT-4 can do. What are you hearing from your clients about current and future applications of OpenAI?
Sure. Our merchants have been piloting the content creation perspective. We have a global merchant base. Our merchants are using GPT-4 to generate multi-language content with better engagement results based on their first language. For example, we have an online eyewear client based in Germany, but is selling to France, United Kingdom, and the UAE in French, English, and Arabic. It would cost them not only a certain amount of capital investment, but also time just for a native translation. With the help of GPT-4, they launched their multilinguistic online store within 4 weeks' time. The human-like customer service chatbot is another popular area that our merchants are piloting on. It also comes from the multilinguistic limitations as well as the time zone issues. Most of our merchants operate in multi-continents. It would be crucial for them to maintain a multi-location and multilinguistic customer service teams. The POS solution would be using a shared service provider to leverage their current location and the manpower strengths. However, it only resolves the issue of manpower. The most time-consuming part still lies in the training of product service know-how. So GPT-4 now allows not only the existing shared customer service provider to become more efficient and cost-effective, it also helps improve the satisfaction rate. As I gave the example earlier, by using the machine learning technology, this AI customer agent can provide 24/7 multilinguistic and also more personalized interactions and support. It has no limit to learn and iterate. Overall, there's a lot of excitement and interest in the potential application of AI across a range of industries and then fields. As research continues, we can expect to see new and innovative applications emerge that have the potential to transform the way we work, live, and interact with the technology.
Yeah, it's exciting. I think we'll all be on the edge of our seats waiting for that research to come out about different capabilities that we can use OpenAI for. What would your recommendations be for how somebody could get started with GPT-4 for a retail business?
Among all the online support, GPT-4 could also be used in phone answering, for example. A typical customer inquiry phone service could be better managed by using AI integrated technology. It is all about customer satisfaction. And for others, any tasks actually, or work, retail business operates from a software perspective, like accounting, inventory management, order fulfillment, SEO optimization, for example. They can all be supported or improved by using the AI technology.
Okay, well, you mentioned order fulfillment. How is GPT-4 used for inventory management? What would be required for that?
Inventory, for example, you need to have the list of the products in your list, and you have the places where you store them. So for GPT-4 to play like the best in their outcome, you need to continue feeding the data into the machine, telling them for certain product listing and also for the certain area of inventory storage, how the number has been moving around, whether you need to reorder more or when and at what pace. So that is how the fulfillment and also inventory management kicks in using the GPT-4.
All right, thank you. That's helpful. Alyson, we're going to take one more question today. Does GPT-4 work better for some retail categories over others? What are your thoughts on that one?
Right. The application of GPT-4 model is actually limitless, but it is true that some categories of products are being piloting on this technology earlier than others. In general speaking, the more SKUs of the product, the more benefit it could obtain from training the AI model, such as fashion and apparel, eyewears, like supermarkets or like a business. Many fashion brands already using machine learning to analyze customer data and provide product recommendations. But generative AI has the potential to create hyper-personalized experiences, leveraging directly and immediate feedback to improve search and discovery. As generative AI tool, learn more about the individual shoppers. Recommendations will become more relevant, and the interactions may become more like this with a stylist or personal shopper. For example, Klarna, the buy now pay later company, recently partnered with OpenAI to launch a ChatGPT plugin that offers curated product recommendations and the links to purchase through Klarna search and the price comparison tools. During the Metaverse Fashion Week, Tommy Hilfiger hosted an AI design contest to create a digital fashion item in the brand style. with the winning designing products into a digital collectible by virtual fashion platform DressX. Now, maybe you guys have already been experienced. Walmart is using GPT-4 to go further in natural language understanding, which allows customers to add a Walmart product to their cart by texting or speaking the name of the item that they need. Some of you might have been using it is a text to shop function. So large language models like GPT-4 are starting to allow Walmart to go beyond task-based chatbots to problem-based chatbots, and that allows you to express what you need in natural language. However, out of the retail industry, banks, for example, and also game industries are also piloting on leveraging AI models to offer more personalized products and services.
Wow. Well, thank you so much. Those are great examples with Walmart, Tommy Hilfiger, Klarna, gaming. Seems like there's a lot of opportunity ahead. So thank you so much for bringing and sharing all of this great information with us and our audience. And especially thank you for answering the questions. We really appreciate you being here, Alyson.
I'm very thrilled to be here as well. I'm very honored. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So just to everybody else in the audience, before we wrap up today, I'm just going to take a moment to tell you what's happening across our media channels here at eMarketer. Mark your calendars for Friday, June 2nd for Attention, our half-day live virtual summit focused on CTV and other timely digital trends. Registration is open on our events page, so please check that out. On that same page, you can also register for upcoming live analyst and tech talk webinars. The link is emarketer.com/webinars. On the audio side, we have a great daily podcast called Behind the Numbers, which is a daily podcast, and you can listen everywhere you listen to podcasts. And of course, please do check out our newsletters. Finally, keep an eye on your email for the link to today's recording. And thank you all for your time. And thanks again to Alyson and the entire team at Shoplazza. We'll see you all on the next Tech Talk.